Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video in Rapida. We're just heading down the square now for some breakfast, going back, getting the van and then having a little day trip out. Whew, it's another scorcher of a day. This is absolutely perfect. Have a little check out of this area I'm walking in.
A new place, a new home for a while, let me feel alive.
Right, we've just finished our croissants and coffee that I showed you just at that little Pessis bakery back there. It is honestly the best croissants I've had anywhere in the world. They're fantastic. Now we're just walking through this square. We're going to get the van and go on a little adventure. Well, that was a pretty epic little sight, seeing all those trucks just beeping. Pretty epic. Now we're almost at the vehicle and I'm telling you how good's that app I'm going to feel.
It's going to be the best.
It is Scorchio. That is the weather forecast, Scorchio. We've got a problem. This is the garage I need to get to. This car isn't going to let me get it out. Oh no. Okay, this guy has just came. He's going to move his car. I never ever thought this was possible, but I'm sweating from my shins. Look. Scorchio. We got it out. We're ready to go. The aircon is beautiful. Let's go. So we're heading to a town called Miravet. I think that's how it's pronounced. There's a castle on the hill, but have a look at the scenery around here. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's so nice doing this drive. Let's go. Almost there now.
Home for a while, let me feel alive.
Right, so we're driving down this beautiful road now. We're about 8 minutes, 3 miles away. But just have a look at this scenery. This is absolutely insane. Look at this. Everywhere around us is just stunning. There's like mountains all around. We're driving through this amazing scenery. And the castle on the hill looks incredible on the photographs, so hopefully we get to see that with the drone. Okay, we've just parked and this view over here, I'm going to show you in a second, is amazing. I'm just going to stop the GoPro. Right, that's stopped. SD card is full. The worst news. Now we're going to go and show you this view. It's insane. Just got out of the beautiful air-conditioned van. It must be about 32, 33 degrees. It is nutty warm. Wow, isn't it pretty warm? So when you come to Miravet to see the castle, I'll show you. This is the parking area, and then you sweep round and you look, and this is the castle. Okay, so from that short walk to the car to here, whoa, just look. Wow, look at all the fish.
Can we take a picture of us here?
Look at the fish. Have you seen all these fish, Pam? Look how that place was incredible. That drone footage looks amazing on the screen. I hope it looks that good when I take it out. But now we're just going to pop in to the little village there, get some nice lunch, and I'll show you that. Whew, the heat, wow. Right, we're coming into town now, into Miravet. There looks like a little market stall set up, and then restaurants, so we'll go and have a look, get some food. Look at this, man.
Nothing to hold me back.
Okay, we found this little bar, Mariola, and it is amazing just to have a little sit here, look up at the church and stuff. So we've just got our Aquarius, which is pretty much saving our lives at the minute, because it is now 34 degrees and it feels like 35. I'm surprised it only feels like that, but it's awesome. Oh, loving it. So we just got bocadillo and some fries. I'll show you these. Look at this view. We've just stopped for an ice cream because it is warm.
Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
This is so awesome, just walking through hundreds of years of history left unchanged. I think they used to sell maxibons back at that cafe back in the day. They must have stopped when they were building this castle, went and got a maxibon and some chips, then come back to work. Look at these little guys in the nest. Look. Wow. So that was Miravet, beautiful little stop. This river that we were standing at before, and that view is absolutely insane, but as you can see, 35 degrees now. I'm perspiring quite a bit, so we're going to go back to the car, get the aircon on, and have a little drive around, see what else we've got. But look at this view, man, look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. What do you think, Pam?
Perfecto.
Okay, so we've just been to the shops, got some groceries, got some supplies.
Your anti-mosquito band looks like the Live Strong
Yeah.
or whatever it was.
We got these anti-mosquito bands with citronella in them to stop the mosquitoes, because I don't know if you can see my arm there, I've been bit quite heavily in Salou, and also on the cheek in Salou. It's like I'm growing a tusk. But we'll just head up to the Jesus statue now, and then you can see when we get there. See you soon. So this is the Jesus statue. He's just up there. I'll show you from the front, but check this view out over La Rapida. This is absolutely stunning. You ready?
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark.
Put the van away for the day now. We're just walking down into the square, probably going to chill at a Chiringuito for a little, soak the last of this sun up. The weather's just nice now, but it's still warm when you're in direct sunshine, so we'll head down and show you on the way. What a nice day it's been so far. Just stopped for a little beer on the beach there in one of the Chiringuitos. Now we're just heading back. We're going to make some ham and cheese sandwiches, get some chips, crisps, and just chill for the night because the heat has taken it out of us. So I'll show you the walk back. Thanks for watching. Not yet.
Dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.